good.
Oh yes, hi Rusty.
And she got excited and started peeing.
Oh, is it her?
Yes.
Wow.
Pee right over here.
Yeah. Been dribbling, huh?
She came trotting over to me and started peeing.
Yeah. Last night at, let's see, at 12 o'clock, I got out of the bed because my watch was supposed to go off 5 minutes early. Went over and opened the cage up. Took them outside immediately. Bathroom. They're really good about going to the bathroom.
Oh, she's just protective, like.
Played with them for a few minutes and tried to put them back in the cage.
Oh my God.
So, go sleep on the couch or phone. He was really impressed with how much he was head up.
Oh boy.
Breathing. And he was down here on my side of the bed over here. We stayed on that from about 2 in the morning until about 4:30. I put him outside and ran around for a while at 4:30 in the morning.
4:30 in the morning.
Oh yeah. Mom got it. Where's Mom at right now? Work.
Oh, had to go to work today?
Yeah. And they're walking. They told us walking is going pretty good.